are going to be making one of my favorite dishes. I'm just going to take my biscuits here. I have already pre-oiled my pan, and I'm just going to place my biscuits down into my pan. Perfect. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is I have some ham here and I have some scissors. So I'm just going to cut this ham down the middle. Okay. And now I'm just going to take one fold of ham and place it over each of my biscuits. Perfect. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a bowl here. I'm just going to place it over top for now. And I have some mild cheddar here. I'm just going to pour the cheddar into my bowl. We're going to break it up. Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and come in with some real mayonnaise. I have some ground mustard here. Then I have me some good old onion powder. I'm just going to spread that over the top. Okay, then I have some pre-sliced onions. I'm just going to drop those in there. I'm going to try to break them up just a little bit. Okay, and then the last thing I'm going to do is I am going to come in with some raw honey. Now, it doesn't have to be raw, y'all, but I just really like the raw, organic kind. Okay, so you're going to use a considerable amount of honey. And then I'm just going to take me a fork, and I'm going to mix all of this up. I'm so curious if y'all have ever tried this before. Please let me know in the comments below. So if you haven't caught on already, this is some good old honey baked ham biscuits. These are one of my favorites. And I'm telling y'all, the onion and the honey and the cheese, it's quite divine. It sounds crazy, but I promise y'all, it tastes so freaking delicious. You wouldn't even believe. It's like a honey mustard. Literally, that's what it is. It's like a honey mustard with cheese. Okay, so now that we have this all mixed up, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna come back over here. I have me some butter. I pre-cut up some squares. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place one square of butter over each little piece of ham. And then what I'm gonna do is I am going to take one scoop of this and I'm gonna spread it over top of each biscuit. All right, now we're almost done here. Some of that leftover ham, I went ahead and pre-chopped it up, and I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of ham over top, just like a little garnish. And the last thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna come in here with a little bit of sea salt, and I'm just gonna sprinkle over just a tiny bit of salt. And I'm gonna come in with some pepper. All right, and then the last thing, just to add just a little pop of color, I like to add just a dabble of parsley over top. Okay, y'all, that's it. It's so quick and easy. I have my oven preset at 350 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in for 15 minutes, y'all. Okay, y'all, look at how delicious these biscuits look. Oh my word, I'm so excited for this. Okay, and I'm going to scoop me out a piece. Y'all, look at how amazing. Look at, it's perfectly fluffy. We have our ham underneath and it's still a little bit of melted butter on top. And it just seeped right through that whole entire biscuit. Okay, y'all, I'm so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite right now. Oh my goodness. Y'all, amazing. Oh my goodness, chef's kiss. You gotta try this, please. Let me know how you like it.